You bought the house, nailed the down payment, locked the rate, and now, surprise, your wallet's leaking cash like a busted pipe. Finance expert Jamila Souffrant reveals why owning a home costs more than you think and how to keep it from draining your budget. Tip 1. Budget beyond the mortgage. The mortgage is just the start. Souffrant says property taxes, insurance, repairs, and maintenance can add up fast. And don't forget utilities, HOA fees, and one-time buys like furniture and tools. Spoiler, you'll probably need a lawnmower. Tip 2. Factor in inflation. Thanks to inflation, even small repairs can cost a fortune. Souffrant explains it perfectly. Things like home repairs or renovations cost significantly more than they did a few years ago. And insurance? Skyrocketing, especially if you live where Mother Nature likes to rage. Tip 3. Build a maintenance fund. Souffrant recommends setting a home maintenance budget and treating it like rent. Her advice? Leave room in your budget so you're not house rich and cash poor. Bonus tip. Use your inspection to forecast big expenses in year 1. Owning a home can build wealth, but only if you're ready for the real price tag. Plan ahead, budget smart, and keep the dream from becoming a money pit. Got a money question? Head to gobankingrates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.